everybody, today we are doing a science experiment. So we're going to be comparing. We're going to see if in this bowl, if vinegar, bicarb soda and shaving foam, it'll fizz up in this. And in this one we're going to take out the shaving foam and see if bicarb soda and vinegar does something. So we'll know if because I always think the shaving cream's never doing something. So I think let's see if it actually does something. So now let's get started. We'll put some of this in. I've got a big chunk there. A bit more. If you want to measure it, that you can do that. Now we'll put in some shaving foam. Not too much, because we don't, we're just gonna waste it, and we don't know if it actually does something. Now smooth this. So see how it's rising, but you see how the shaving cream, it just stays in the middle, or it rises up with it. So it might just sit there, or maybe if it has chemicals in it, it might be using some of that. And now for the other one, I've got yucky hands. We're going to take away that. Teensy bit, because this is a small bowl. Couldn't find a big bowl. I'm going to use a teensy bit of vinegar. So now I know what it's doing, because that looks like lemonade or something. It's just been done. Now I know that I'm pretty sure that the shaving foam makes the bubbles, because it's all foamy, and that it just makes a fizzing sound, so this is the one that makes it rise, and that's the one that makes it bubble. So now that we've put that all together, now we know probably the science behind it. But in every one of my videos, I'll leave the real science down in the comments. So if you want to actually do it, just look down and there'll be a section. Bye.